A Facebook page is a public profile for an organizational person. Rather than adding you as a friend, Facebook users can choose to become a fan of your page by liking it. On your Facebook homepage, click the plus icon next to your name here. Click on Page. Type your page name here. Choose a category here. Suggestions will be made as you type. Write a page description here if you wish. Click Create Page here to create it. Now you'll be able to add a profile image and a cover photo by either clicking here or dragging and dropping onto the web browser. Click Save here to save any changes. You'll now be able to create posts, add photos, and add buttons enabling people to take action on your page. People will be able to search for your page and like it to follow it. For a more informative video, please subscribe Info of Tech.